guys, Marian here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video where I'm going to help you get ready for Rosh Hashanah dinner. I'm sharing with you guys my ultimate favorite brisket recipe. This is the best, most delicious, and super simple recipe. I think if you make a brisket for dinner, you're pretty much done. You could just serve a salad with it and you're good to go. And the best part of this recipe is it really doesn't require too much hands-on skill or time. You just pop it in the slow cooker for much of the recipe. So it should be a super easy one for you guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel to see more Jewish mom recipes and content. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you want to see how my Rosh Hashanah prep is going today. Okay, let's jump into the recipe. I also want to say that the magic of this recipe really comes at the end, so stay tuned for that because that's where the secret comes in. So what I love about this recipe is how forgiving it is. You'll see as I'm measuring things out that I'm really just eyeballing a lot of this. So all you need to do is put your brisket in a Ziploc bag, and then you're just going to add your rub to the Ziploc bag and let it sit for about half an hour or so. Longer is better, of course, with these kind of marinating, but just half an hour is fine. So the first thing you're going to add is brown sugar. And by the way, I'm going to put all the details for this recipe with exact measurements down below in the description bar, so check there if you need any more info. So after you've added your brown sugar, you're going to add the rest of the spices. This is just paprika. I think I got it as a gift from my mom. It's in like this fancy container. And then you're going to add some garlic powder, some onion powder, mustard powder, and cumin. And then of course some salt and pepper. And again, this is a forgiving recipe, so if you're missing one or two of the ingredients, it's totally fine. It still tastes delicious every time. Okay, so once you've put the rub into the bag, you're just going to massage the brisket and make sure it's covering all the surface area of it. And then again, just let it rest in the refrigerator for at least half an hour if you have the time. Next, you're going to make the sauce for the brisket. You can dump it right into the slow cooker. It's super easy. The first ingredient is apple cider vinegar, and then you're going to add a few of the spices you used in the rub, like the garlic powder and the cumin, and then you're going to add barbecue sauce, ketchup. You need about 1.5 total of liquid. I sometimes change up how much barbecue sauce versus how much ketchup I'm putting in, just depending on what I like the flavor, but in total you need 1.5 cups. Then you're going to add some more brown sugar and pepper to finish up your spices, and then lastly you're going to add a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. Okay, then all you have to do is stir that ingredients together to make the sauce, and then you're going to add your brisket that's got the rub on it into the pot. I like to put it fat side down. I think that works best for slow cooking. Then just plug in your slow cooker and set it for the recommended number of hours. I usually do it on low for about 6 hours, 6 to 9 hours, depending on how many pounds of brisket. Okay, so now we're getting to the secret of this recipe. When you're done cooking for your total slow cooker time, you're going to take it out and put it in a pan to go into the oven. This is the secret to making it really, really delicious. You're going to preheat your oven to 400 degrees, add a little bit of oil, and then roast the brisket for about 10 to 15 minutes until it crisps and turns brown along the edges. Then take the sauce from your slow cooker, add it to a little saucepan, and put that on your stovetop and let it boil and reduce down. It'll become thicker as it does this. After about 10 to 15 minutes in the 400 degree oven, you're going to take it out and pour the sauce over the brisket. And then here's the other secret, stick it back in the oven for another 5 minutes. So I know this last part is a little bit of a faff, as they say, but it's so worth it. It really caramelizes the flavors and makes the brisket so good. Then all you have to do is slice it up, pour on that gravy, and serve it. I like to add pomegranate seeds when I'm serving it for Rosh Hashanah because pomegranates are really special for the holiday, but you can garnish it however you like or not garnish it at all, and it is so delicious. I hope you guys love this recipe. So that's it. That is my delicious Rosh Hashanah brisket. Of course, you could use it for almost any Jewish holiday or any time of the year that you want a delicious meal. So I hope you guys like this recipe. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!